Gikalipay sa mga opisyal sa gobyerno sa Davao Region nga nagpabiling gawas nun batok sa hulga sa insurhensiya kon insurgency free ang Rehiyon 11. Kini ang gikumpirma ni Major General Jose Ariel Niembra, ang commander sa 10th Infantry Division, Philippine Army, atol sa Regional Development Council meeting sa Mati City, Davao Oriental nitong Biyernes sa hapon, Marso 24.
I'm happy to report that Davao region is still insurgency free. The Joint AFP-PNP Intelligence Committee or JAPI has convened 2 weeks ago and they affirmed the status of Davao region as an insurgency-free region. Actually, we have so many reasons to be happy and proud because right now, as we are having this meeting, we are the only region in the entire country who achieve this kind of situation, insurgency-free region. But of course, the security situation is dynamic. It's like a tug-of-war situation actually. So we still have challenges to address.
Dili mo tugot si General Niembra nga makapurma pa og balik ang mga NPA nga makamantsa lang sa naangkon nga kalinaw sa ilang area of responsibility kon AOR og insurgency free sa tibok Rehiyon 11. Kay sumala sa commander sa 10th ID, lig-on og high moral ang mga sundalo sa ilang gipanumpaan nga serbisyo aron maangkon ang kalinaw. Sa periodic status report kon PSR sa 10th ID, 0 sa kagubot ang entero Rehiyon 11. Luyo sa naangkon nga 0 PSR, nagpabiling nag-igmat ang kasundaluhan batok terorismo.
First of all, we still have the threat groups in our boundaries trying to attempt to enter again our AOR. We have the threat groups in our boundary with Cotabato, North Cotabato province. We have the Guerrilla Front 57 being addressed by our 72nd IB. And we have also the threat group here in the north. In our boundary with Surigao and Agusan provinces, we have the Guerrilla Front 14. And because of the dynamic situation, we have realigned some of our tactical boundaries. Higher headquarters has given us 7 municipalities in the province of Bukidnon. So we are now again confronting another threat, what they call the SRC peddler. But for the entire Davao region, the 5 provinces of Davao region, we are PSR, 0 PSR. 0 meaning na PSR is the periodic status report, parang milder version ito ma'am ng order of battle actually. So we have 0 order of battle as of now in Davao region. But we have some concerns in the boundaries. That's why we have to be very watchful sa mga boundaries natin.
Mas gipaligon pa sa 10th ID ang ilang koordinasyon o kooperasyon sa Philippine National Police aron masiguro nga magpabiling gyud ang kahapsay ug kalinaw sa Davao Region. Sumala kang Police Brigadier General Alden Delvo, ang Regional Director sa PRO 11, nga epektibo ang ilang padayon nga paghatod og serbisyo publiko sa komunidad hilabi na sa hilit nga mga lugar nga kanihinahimong pugaran sa NPA. Aron masigurong dili na gyud mabawi ang mga lugar nga nakaangkon na karon og tinuod nga kalinaw. Lig-on sabang ilang relasyon o koordinasyon sa katawhan.
So being part of your security force, security sector, the Philippine National Police is fully supportive and dutifully will render our sworn duty to serve and protect. It is said that peace precedes progress and change and development. Being your newly installed Regional Director of PRO 11, I have instructed all my provincial directors to keep the peace. As I reiterate, it is the prerequisite for development. With that, I would like to inform everyone that the peace and order situation here in our region is considered manageable due to the sustained and effective delivery of public services to the community coupled with the enhanced community relation program such as yung programa naming Kasimbayanan and the MKK equals K, which stands for Malasakit, Kaayusan, Kapayapaan tungo sa kaunlaran. which have gained the community's support and cooperation towards police, resulting to a very effective campaign against criminality, and also with our RPSP, or the Revitalized Police sa Barangay, in which areas which were already cleared by the AFP and our police forces also ay umakyat doon yung RPSB natin so as not to be recovered again by the CTGs.
Hugot ang pagtuo nilang Major General Niembra ug Police Brigadier General Delvo nga magpabilin ang kadaugan sa Davao Region batok insurhensiya ug magpatigbabaw ang kalinaw ug kalambuan kay padayon ang ilang monitoring ug visibility sa ilang tagsa-tagsa ka AOR. Eugene Hinutan, Newsline Philippines. Stay safe